Hello children, today we are going to discuss trigonometry. Why, where, what? Why we are using trigonometry? From where the name trigonometry came? What is mean by trigonometry? These are the three things we are going to discuss today. Why? Why we are using trigonometry? To find unknown heights and unknown angles. Why we are using trigonometry? To find unknown heights and unknown angles. Let's see an example. Find the height of a tree. Can we find the height of a tree by using a measuring tape? No, it's impossible. We have to use trigonometrical knowledge for that. Let's name the unknown height as h. H. To find this height, at least we need two measurements. To find the height, we need two known measurements. What are those? The hypotenuse side and angle. One side and one angle. The hypotenuse side, I am naming it as x here. You can use it using laser light, and the angle we can find using a protractor. To find the height of a mountain also the same scenario. By using one angle and one side we can find the height of a tree or a mountain. From where the name trigonometry came? The trigonometry. Trigonometry is a combination of three Greek words. Three Greek words. What are those three Greek words? Trigonometry. Now you can tell the meaning of trigonometry. What is trigonometry? What is trigonometry? Trigonometry is the study of triangle measurements. Trigonometry is the study of triangle measurements. Okay, let's see what are the subtopics we need to cover for O-level Cambridge IGCSE. The first subtopic we need to cover is ratios, trigonometrical ratios. How many ratios are there? There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. There are 6. What are they? Sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, cot. Okay, how we can define these ratios? We can define these ratios by using the side lengths of a right angle triangle. For example, sine ratio is equal to opposite over hypotenuse side. Sine ratio is equal to opposite side over hypotenuse side. What are these opposite hypotenuse sides? You may study in the previous grades. Okay, let's consider a right angle triangle. In a right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degree, the opposite to right angle is hypotenuse side. Opposite to the given angle is opposite side. The remaining side is adjacent side. According to these three sides, we are defining the trigonometrical ratios. Sine ratio is opposite over hypotenuse side. Cos ratio is adjacent side over hypotenuse side. Tan ratio is opposite side over adjacent side. Cosec, sec, cot, these three ratios are reciprocal of sine, cos, tan ratios. Reciprocal means upside down of these ratios. Cosec is hypotenuse over opposite. It's a reciprocal of sine. Sec is hypotenuse over adjacent. It's a reciprocal of cos ratio. Cot is adjacent over opposite side. It's a reciprocal of tan. Only these three ratios are important for us in O-level syllabus. Sine, cos, tan ratios. No need to memorize these things. Easy to remember these ratios. There's a term, SOHCAHTOO. Here S represents sine, O represents opposite, H represents hypotenuse. Likewise, C represents cos, A represents adjacent, H represents hypotenuse. T is tan. Same like that. O opposite, A adjacent. Second thing we need to discuss here is Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? A square plus B square is equal to C square. What are these A, B, C here? Let's consider a right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, opposite to 90 degree or opposite to right angle is hypotenuse side, as I told before. That is C. A and B are other two sides. Hypotenuse square is equal to other two side squares, sum of the other two side squares. The third one we need to discuss is bearings. In bearings, there are three things we need to consider. What are those three things? Three main things are there. The first thing is north direction, north axis. From north direction we have to measure the angle, and it should be in clockwise direction, and the answer should be given in three figures, 3-digit number. Let's see an example. North direction 30 degrees, A, B. What's the bearing of B from A? It's 30. We can easily say from north direction clockwise it's 30, but we can't just write 30, 0, 30 because 3 figures. Okay, fourth one we have to discuss here is angles between 90 degree to 180. Angle between 90 to 180 degrees. Sine theta is equal to sine 180 minus theta. Here theta unknown angle. Sine theta is equal to sine 180 minus theta. Cos theta is equal to cos 180 minus theta. But here minus cos 180 minus theta. For example, cos 40 is equal to, if theta is or unknown angle is 40, cos 40 is equal to minus cos 180 minus 40. So cos 40 degrees is equal to minus cos 180 minus 40 is 140. The fifth one is sine rule. What is sine rule? A over sine A is equal to B over sine B. It's equal to C over sine C. In the denominator the letters are capital. Why it is? Because we are mentioning angles by using capital letters. Let's consider a triangle ABC. A, B, C. Opposite to A is simple A. The simple letters are representing the sides. The angle opposite to the simple letter A is capital A. Likewise B and C. The side length opposite to angle B is simple B. Next thing we need to discuss is cos rule. What is cos rule? A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A in the same triangle ABC. From the next video, I plan to explain some past paper questions for O-level Cambridge IGCSE syllabus. Subscribe my channel, like, share and subscribe.